Georgia, bring my baby back. Yeah, bring her right on home now.
Ring the bell, Bill, ring the bell.
Coming right on down the line now, pulling up a heavy grade. Hey, Bill, where are you going to get off this train at?
Down about Atlanta, Georgia. Boy, where's you
I'm
going?
going up about Nashville, Tennessee. Where you going, Cousin Wilbur?
I'm going to Birmingham, Alabama.
What for?
Ain't no ham like Birmingham.
Pete, where you going to get off
Oh,
at?
I'm Memphis bound, boy.